Strikingly website builder review and tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to review Strikingly website and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Strikingly, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Strikingly, it is a user-friendly website builder designed to help individuals and small businesses create visually appealing mobile-optimized websites with a minimal technical expertise. And the platform specializes in one-page website where all essentials content is displayed on a single scrollable page, making it ideal for portfolios, landing pages, and small-scale e-commerce. In its drag-and-drop interface, editor is intuitive and clutter-free, offering a pre-designed templates categorized by purpose. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the sign up button or the get started button in here after entering your first name, email, and creating your own password. And after that, you'll now be able to be directed on this page right here, where you need to log in your account, such as your email and your password. Then you will be directed in this dashboard. But before that, let's talk about the pricing, or you could also upgrade your plan by clicking the pricing and upgrade button on the top right corner. By clicking this button, you will automatically be directed on this page, where it will show you some of the plan that they offer. They have here limited, pro, and VIP plan, with corresponding prices and also benefits or features included below here. So from here, you could also start their 14-day free trial if you want to, depending on your preferences. However, in those options, I'm just going to focus on creating a website by clicking this create a new site button, and upon clicking on it, it will automatically show you a different kind of templates in here, where you could also navigate on the left side panel some of the options. We have here online store, business, landing page, membership and courses, creative. However, I'm just going to focus on this one, so you could also start scrolling down to find different kind of layouts depending on your preferences. And let's say in those options available of this template, I'm going to choose the first one. And to start editing it, just click start editing button right here. And upon doing so, you will automatically be directed on this page right here. And in this pop-up window, you would also take a tour or click this no thanks if you already know how to manage or navigate this website. And it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. You have here different kind of sections, such as welcome sections, what do I do, experience, testimonials, but you'd also navigate some other options once again, such as in your design side in here, styles, ad store, and many more. But to proceed from here, we could also start navigating some of this section. For example, in this, by clicking on it, it will automatically show us that it is different kind of section or content it contains. And from here on the right side panel, let's say we want to add a text by clicking this add text box, and after that, just simply enter here the kind of text that you prefer. For example, I'm going to enter the word or text premium. Then you could also enter here, for example, my website. You could also make it bold, italic, depending on your preferences. Or by clicking the layout option on the top right corner, it will change the layout of this website. And by clicking the settings, we could also choose drag and drop, where it will show us a variety of additional options. We have here to make or add different kind of elements. By clicking this add section, we can add here a text, an image, video, button, and many more. So for instance, I'm going to choose to add an image, and as you can see, all you need to do is to click the edit button and upload the file in here from your computer, or upload an image in here to add in this website. Going back on this page, you could also click the background button to change the background, and it will show you some of this background that you can choose, or you could also upload a new one. And in those options, I'm going to choose this one and choose the kind of text it contains. So as you can see, we've now successfully edit or customize this website. You could also navigate on the left side panel the other section that you want to customize in here. You could also navigate this button by clicking on it. It will show us how we can start navigating or changing the letter of it, the context, and even the link within this button. Now aside from that, if you scroll down right here, it will show you additional kind of info it contains, or we could also navigate or customize the context, delete the image, replace the images in here, change the font style, font size, and many more. Now below here, you could also click the edit button if you want to edit or customize the logo of this or choose different kind of style, such as to edit to make it dark mode, the whole website, or even light mode depending on your preferences. Again, you could also customize the background of it, the context, the font style, font size in here available. By clicking this font, it will show you that you can change the title, heading, text, button, and even new item. And even choose the animations that you prefer in here. You could also switch to mobile view to see what it looks like when it is being accessed in your mobile phone. But going back in here, aside from that, if you also want to start customizing some other context, you can simply go back in here on the left side panel and go to the settings option in here. We can add here a store, our domains, our basic info, and even our payment methods, such as to integrate or link your credit or debit card, bank account, PayPal, and many more. And even navigate here this email notifications, mobile actions, header and footer sections, multiple pages, and any other kind of option in here. You can also visit on the left side panel the analytics, the promotion option, audience, and many more. And now going back on this page once again, if you want to add the new pages in here, you can click this add another page button in here on the left side panel, and by doing so, it will show you on this pop-up window that in order to add multiple pages, you need to upgrade your account, but you could also continue and add up to 5 pages available or limit. But now if you're now done editing or customizing these pages or website, you can click the publish button below here on the left side panel to start saving the changes. So basically, creating a website on Strikingly is important for individuals and businesses seeking an efficient and cost-effective and user-friendly way to establish an online presence. Since Strikingly simplifies the website creation process with its drag-and-drop editor and AI-powered tools, allowing users to design professional-looking sites without any coding knowledge. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Strikingly Website Builder. Thank you.